Jihad, full stack developer, and I would like to introduce the cricket tracking system application, web application that I designed for farming company, as well as the technologies that were used behind the scenes. As you can guess, this is the crickets on the right that we are raising in our farm. On the left side, there are many bins, and each bins have different number and different age of crickets as per the certain amount of temperature and different values that we need to arrange, and their environment should be arranged as per their needs and requirements. So in process of growing, there are some steps that needs to be taken by farmer, and here is my application that I designed. And as you can see, there is a username and password when you log in, and there is an authentication and everything. First, they need to be known in the each being as per their age and their size. Second, they need to be harvested as per customer order. As you can see, there is a harvest button here. When you click the harvest, and you can add the harvest in an existing pins, and they need to new eggs needs to be placed for the hatching. As you can see, there is a hatching button here, and once they hatched, they need to be added to bins which were cleaned out. There is a clean out bins here. Once they cleaned out, they need to be added. The new babies that were hatched needs to added to clean out bins. And 6, new user needs to be added to the system. As you can see, there is a users tab here, and there are the way that they can do. Once you click the add button, and you can, there are a lot of information here as well as the user's information, username, password, user type, and many things. If there are certain amount of dead crickets in the bins, they needs to be reported in the system. As you can see, there's a report button here. They can be reported, and our system is going to be tracked by the database behind it once they report it from the report page. And a new company can be added to the system from here by the admin. And what else? And there's a main page. As you can see in the picture, each worker's tasks will be recorded and reflected the pie chart that I designed. Every single task will be recorded in the system with the unique ID. As you can see, log number and their ID number. These are generated by computer, and all operation is also be able to be seen by the users in the system. And when we came to the bin board information, and total amount of the crickets is being reflected to the pie chart, and each bin's efficiency is being recorded to the system. And for example, there is a A01 bin, and you can see the age, you can see the size, and you can see the status, if it is using or not. If it is cleaned out, it's set to be free, and free bins is 2 and 7 using this. And when you click to the bin, you can see the all information that bin has, current information, and there is a age is 6, size is that one, and the birthday of the crickets is that one. This is basically what when the crickets, the baby crickets added to the bin, and as the time goes by, they are growing, and as you can see, there is a system that keeps their age recorded in the specifically bin information, and there's a status and the last operation date. And as the time that you harvest them, you can see the graphic, and that report is being recorded in the system, and you see the graphic in it, and that's basically it. And uh, we have already started I have already started the second part of the project. In the second part, we are going to guess which bin is going to be most efficient one as per the harvest rate of them, and we will I will use it data science by to be able to do that. And I would like to also talk about the technologies that was used behind this uh, application. In the front end sites are CSS, HTML, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, and the back end side Python. The Django framework is being was used, and relational database system has been generated, and SQLite is the database system that we used. And this application is designed as full stack. And this is the end of the video. Thank you very much.